welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. If you're new, welcome back. I'm glad to see you all again. I hope you are all doing well. So, today we are going to unbox some Nike shoes. The summer is coming up, so we all need that good summer shoe. So let's have a look here. As you see on the box, it's a special box, it's a beautiful box. With Nike logos all over it and stuff. So, very beautiful. Let's open this bad boy up. Beautiful, beautiful, really beautiful. So, as always, in the box view, then after the smell, Wow. It smells so good. This factory smell is so good. You need to smell your shoes when you're opening these boxes, because after you are wearing them, they will not smell that good. So let's get them out and have a look. And get this box off to the side. The first impression on these shoes, I gotta say, I am really liking it. They are beautiful. Look at this. It's just amazing, the details in. It's just beautiful. So this will be more like a gym shoe, I guess. It will be perfect for that, I think. You can also run in them, I think. But they will also be cool as an everyday shoe, because they are looking very beautiful. On the side here you see I got the gray one, the black and the white, and the orange Nike logos. It's the Air Max 270 SC, and they are beautiful. So you see this is really beautiful, I think. I love the big air cushions. I love Nike's air cushions on shoe actually, and this is a beautiful big one. As you see, it goes all the way through the whole backside, and it's really big air cushion. You see your front here, the detail is spectacular. You got the laces here in a really special way, and the whole front here is sitting together, so it will fit extremely well on the foot, I guess. And you got the nice 3D look with this one, with the Nike logo. So yeah, overall a very beautiful shoe. So see on the back side is the Air logo. A beautiful shoe. You can wear it in the gym, you can use it as an everyday shoe. You can run in it. They are very light. So yeah, a good running shoe, maybe a good gym shoe. Plus you will look very great with them. I will not use them for the gym. I will use them for everyday use, because I think they are just beautiful. So yeah, again, a really nice summer shoe. Because when it's warm and stuff, these are perfect, for they are breathing. So as you see on all the holes on the side and on the inside, so they will be nice to wear in the summer. So I can't wait to wear them and take them outside and stuff and walk around with them. Yes, if you liked the video, subscribe and leave a like. And now we are going to test them on foot, because I know you guys are liking that. So let's see how they look on the foot.